Gemini app update. Search Google Photos directly on Android. Imagine having a personal assistant who knows exactly what you're looking for in your endless photo gallery, without scrolling endlessly. That's exactly what the latest update to the Gemini app brings, as it rolls out Google Photos integration on Android. Feeling nostalgic? Want to find that perfect selfie from last summer, or the landscapes from your last trip? Just ask. After a sneak peek last month, this powerful feature is now officially arriving to users in the US, offering a whole new way to explore your memories. This Google Photos connection isn't just a simple link. It comes with two smart tools that make sifting through your snaps a breeze. First, it lets you locate your photos and videos based on things like faces, places, dates, or what's happening in the shot. Imagine saying, "Show me my photos of Alex," or "Find pictures from our Mexico trip." You can also ask about recent selfies, landscapes, or specific events, making your photo library feel more alive and accessible. The second feature is like having a quick detective in your pocket, asking for interesting details hidden in your images. Want to remember what you ate at that hotel in Stanley? Or see the top sights from your latest adventure? Just ask, and the Gemini app will fetch the info from your photos, similar to the standalone Ask Photos feature in Google Photos. Using this new magic is simple. Tapping an image or album opens Google Photos directly, or hit Show More to dive deeper into your gallery. To activate this feature, head into the Gemini app, tap your profile icon, go to Apps, then Media, and select Google Photos, right alongside popular apps like Spotify and YouTube. A recent update also refreshed the Google Workspace card, so now it explains what you can do with Gmail, Calendar, and more in a clearer way. Right now, this exciting integration is rolling out gradually to a select group of users, mostly in the US, and only on Android. So, if you're one of the lucky early adopters, get ready to turn your photos into a quick fetch game, no more endless scrolling. Keep an eye out for this feature and add 9 to 5 Google to your news feed to stay in the loop.